Today, we will explore some of the most popular seafood dishes, focusing on their taste, origin, and what makes each one special. Sushi. Sushi is one of the most famous seafood dishes in the world, originating from Japan. It is a combination of vinegared rice and fresh seafood such as tuna or salmon. The taste of sushi is light, fresh, and slightly tangy due to the seasoned rice. It often includes soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger, which enhance the overall flavor. In Japan, sushi is considered an art form and is carefully prepared by skilled chefs. However, in other parts of the world, it has evolved into creative styles like rolls and fusion dishes. Fish and chips. Fish and chips is a classic dish from the United Kingdom and is widely loved for its comforting taste. It consists of deep-fried battered fish, usually cod or haddock, served with crispy fries. The outer layer is crunchy, while the inside remains soft and flaky. It is commonly served with tartar sauce, lemon, or vinegar, which adds a tangy flavor. This dish is popular as street food in the UK and represents traditional British cuisine. Paella. Paella is a famous Spanish seafood dish that comes from Valencia. It is a rice-based dish cooked with a mix of seafood such as shrimp, mussels, and squid. The taste of paella is rich and aromatic, mainly due to saffron and spices. It has a beautiful golden color and a deep, flavorful profile. Paella is often prepared for gatherings and celebrations, making it a symbol of sharing and community. Lobster bisque. Lobster bisque is a luxurious seafood soup from France. It is known for its creamy texture and rich flavor. The soup is made using lobster stock, cream, and aromatic vegetables, resulting in a smooth and slightly sweet taste. It is usually served in fine dining restaurants and is considered a symbol of elegance and sophistication. Grilled salmon. Grilled salmon is popular across many regions, especially in North America and Europe. Salmon is known for its rich, oily texture and high nutritional value. When grilled, it develops a smoky flavor that enhances its natural taste. It is often seasoned with herbs, butter, and lemon for a simple yet delicious experience. This dish is both healthy and flavorful, making it a favorite worldwide. Shrimp curry. Shrimp curry is a widely enjoyed seafood dish in South Asia. It is made by cooking shrimp with spices, tomatoes, and sometimes coconut milk. The taste is bold, spicy, and full of depth. Depending on the region, it can be creamy or very spicy. This dish reflects the rich use of spices in South Asian cuisine and is often served with rice or bread. Grilled lobster. Grilled lobster is a premium seafood dish widely enjoyed in North America, especially in coastal areas like Maine and Canada. The lobster is usually split in half, brushed with butter, garlic, and herbs, and then grilled over open heat. This cooking method gives it a smoky aroma while keeping the meat tender and juicy. The taste is naturally sweet, rich, and slightly buttery, making it one of the most luxurious seafood experiences. It is often served with lemon and melted butter to enhance its natural flavor. Ceviche. Ceviche is a famous seafood dish from Latin America, especially popular in Peru and Mexico. It is made with fresh raw fish or shrimp that is cooked using citrus juices like lime or lemon. The acid from the citrus changes the texture of the seafood, giving it a firm yet tender bite. It is mixed with onions, chili, coriander, and sometimes corn or sweet potato. The taste is fresh, tangy, slightly spicy, and very refreshing. Ceviche is usually eaten as a starter or light meal, especially in hot coastal regions. Crab cakes. Crab cakes are a popular seafood dish from the United States, especially in the state of Maryland. They are made from fresh crab meat mixed with breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, mustard, and light seasonings, then shaped into patties and pan-fried or baked. The taste is soft, savory, and slightly sweet from the crab meat, with a crispy golden outer layer. Crab cakes are often served with tartar sauce or lemon, making them a favorite appetizer or main dish in American coastal cuisine. Calamari. Calamari refers to fried squid, a widely popular seafood dish in Mediterranean countries like Italy, Greece, and Spain. The squid is cut into rings, coated in batter, and deep-fried until golden and crispy. The taste is mild, slightly sweet, and tender inside with a crunchy coating. It is usually served with marinara sauce, garlic dip, or lemon wedges. Calamari is commonly found in restaurants as a starter or snack. Tom Yum Seafood Soup. Tom Yum Seafood Soup is a famous Thai dish known for its bold and spicy flavor. It is made with shrimp, squid, or mixed seafood cooked in a broth flavored with lemongrass, lime leaves, chili, fish sauce, and lime juice. The taste is a perfect balance of spicy, sour, and savory. It is refreshing yet intense, making it one of the most iconic Thai soups. This dish is especially popular in Southeast Asia and among spice lovers worldwide.